Morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, humans and aliens. Me and my brother is up early, woke early. Well, I'm at least woke tired. We're driving to UCT to shoot a promo video, right? Cool. It's a public holiday. You should actually be voting today.
Yeah, people are voting today. I expect them to, Facebook and Instagram be filled with freaking thumbnails today.
Yes.
Black marks. So make sure you had your nails done nice and not damn ugly.
You can hear he's woke tired. Another thing as well, apparently it's illegal to take photos of you in the voting booth or of the car that you tick on to vote, so please don't do that. If you do, take a picture of you getting arrested. I would like to see it. That'll be cool, I guess. Alright, cool. Cheers. For now, I guess. Yeah. Anything you want to say?
God bless.
Cheers.
So we just arrived at the beautiful UCT, University of Cape Town.
Middle campus, I think.
I think it's Middle Campus.
It's middle.
Where they tear down the statues
Yeah,
that took it down.
that's the statue thing right over
Was
there.
the statue thing. But anyway, we're about to kind of set up to do the promo video.
For a guy named Habib. He's running for Mr. South Africa.
Yeah.
If you don't know what it is, please Google it. We're doing a promo video, so you can just watch the video as well if you don't want to Google it. So he's running for Mr. South Africa. So we're doing a promo video now, and he's walking down the stairs.
What's up?
What's up, Habib? So that's what we're doing now at UCT. Beautiful morning, so please vote. He just dodged the camera. He was about to walk right over here, but then he just dodged. This is Habib.
This is Habib,
What's
guys.
up, guys? How you doing? Don't listen to these guys, but vote.
Yes, come on.
Vote for him as well. Cheers.
To leverage a much better impact in the communities where we go to.
Okay. How has the competition changed you?
The competition has given us great insight, skill, unique approaches, and novelty aspects in that we can't really search elsewhere.
Currently behind the scenes by Habib doing his promo video for Mr. SA. You guys should check it out when it's released. What's up?
You have a coin on you.
Because he can handle it doesn't mean he's going to be good at it. What you drinking?
Irish coffee.
Irish
Now
coffee.
Cappuccino.
It's cappuccino. Fancy schmancy.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Cheers. Let's see what's behind you.
Oh,
Dun dun dun. Hey, Batman.
I'm currently standing as a shade, as a whatever blocker.
Where is she? Where is she? Mother! Mother! It's the Dark Flight! Save Mother!
Just get Carlos' face.
Yeah.
So
First of all,
what?
Habib wanted to turn the other way around to get
To get what?
to get the mountain in, and we're like, for what?
Okay, so what's up, guys? We
But his
just
hair's big enough. So
Yeah.
can I talk now?
Yeah, talk.
Now go.
Can you
Okay,
get
cool.
Okay, Nippy.
So what's up, guys? We just wrapped up on a video right now. It's a promo video for Habib,
Mr.
SA,
the brand.
the brand. And we're about to go home. We've been here since 6 o'clock this morning.
Hungry.
Really hungry. They don't offer breakfast at UCT.
All we got was coffee.
Which was great. Which was
And
good.
hot chocolate.
By a lovely young lady which doesn't want to be featured on
But she's standing right
YouTube,
over there.
but she's standing right over there.
It's gorgeous.
She's gorgeous. I'm just
Trust
copying
us.
this, just like always. But anyway, it went awesome. We will let you all know when the video is released. So keep your eyes and ears tuned. Is there anything else you guys want to say?
No, that's pretty much it.
Oh wait, sorry.
I think
We didn't introduce someone else in the video. This is Hakin.
Yakin, actually.
Yakin. Okay. And once again, this is Habib. This is Keenan, and this is Carlo. And peace.
Dave the Millers.
Cheers, like, share, comment.